If you struggle with dry hair like this or this, you probably aren't using a hydrating leave-in treatment. This is my hair after using my leave-in treatment, so I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Trust me, follow these steps if you want those results. On my towel dried hair, I'm using 2 to 3 pumps of Coconut Cocktail by Color Wow and putting that through the ends of my hair where my hair gets driest. As you can tell by the name, Coconut Cocktail has coconut oil in it, which penetrates faster than any other oil out there. You have to use heat to activate this product, so let's blow dry it in. You guys, this is just one section done, but my hair feels so weightless, hydrated, and silky soft. This is also always the one product that they use on my hair at the hair salon. So there you have it. If you struggle with dry, dehydrated hair like I do, and you want luxe, expensive looking, hydrated, beautiful hair for summer, Coconut Cocktail is going to be your best friend.